Kathleen, 35 years ago, you bought one of my very early paintings and then you showed it to all my students in class. That was amazing. You bought it in an art auction charity and you actually have become an artist yourself. And look at what you've been doing the last few days. So it's been awesome to meet you and connect. How have you found the workshop?
Oh, thanks, Jack. It has been an awesome experience for me. I know I can paint somewhat, but I've learnt so much doing this course with the various techniques that you've shown me, and it'll help me in the future with my art.
So good,
sure.
So good.
Yeah.
Well, I have every confidence that you're going to go forward in huge strides. This is really beautiful work, and thanks very much for sharing you and your approaches and your lovely choice of paintings. I think I want to have a go at that beautiful lemon one now. Well done.
And then you've helped me so much, so I thank you very much too.
You're a darling. And the ladies have been fun, haven't they?
They have, yeah, everyone's been great. Great experience for everybody.
Thank you. It's been great. Thank you, Kathleen.
Okay, thanks.